over here at Tannnenbaum. And looks like we're making some decent progress. Give you an idea of the detail in the railing there. It's kind of cool. Looks good. I'm sure they're making some progress here. Light on this particular section here. They're getting there. I thought they'd be further along than this, but anyway, you can see what they're doing as far as the railing. Really making a nice improvement on that. This bridge is a really good example of what this is going to look like. Let me see if I can get to the point where this picks up a little better with the lack of light. There we go. It's coming along nicely. This is your hallway here. It's looking good. This is going to be a really sharp remodel of this building. It's going. I like what they're doing with the railings. And, they're changing up the style just a little bit, but hey, this is very pleasant as far as the finish here and what they're doing with the railing. They're using some of this, it's that plastic with that Trex stuff here. So that will hold up pretty well with the weather. Same with on the deck here. It's more of that Trex as well. So the stuff is pretty durable. It won't have to be finished. All the little pieces. So anyway, winter's on its way. You can see the snow. Ski areas are going to open November 1st. It's just a couple weeks away. Geez, not even that. 10 weeks. Helicopters are setting the towers on those lifts for peak 6 as we speak. I can hear them in the background. So anyway, here's a progress report on what's going on with your Tannnenbaum. And let's talk soon. Take care.